ਵੇਂਦੀਆਂ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਤੇ ਸੁਣਦਿਆਂ ਕੰਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚੈਨਲ ਦੀ ਤਰਫੋਂ ਸਲਾਮ ਪੇਸ਼ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਏ ਤੇ ਅੱਲਾ ਦੇ ਘਰ ਦੀ ਮੈਂ ਉਮੀਦ ਕਰਦਾ ਵਾਂ ਕਿ ਸਾਰੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਵੇਖਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਦੋਸਤ ਬੇਲੀ ਠੀਕ ਹੋਵਣਗੇ। ਅੱਲਾ ਪਾਕ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀ ਹਿਫਜ਼ੋ ਈਮਾਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੱਖੇ। Hello.
Hi.
I hope.
I'm working on my second album.
Album.
Yeah.
Oh.
You can check me on YouTube.
Yeah.
My name is M. Prince Nyiringango.
Hmm.
I have about 5 new music videos there.
Yeah, good.
Yeah. These are really nice.
Yeah, I see this all space. It's very nice, but this have corona problem with this all
Yeah,
kids
the
close.
COVID-19 has really caused a lot of problems.
I visit here this 1 year before, but this have very good space. This all this this swimming pool.
Yeah, the swimming pool doesn't work anymore. It cannot be used here. This since maybe 2019, I think.
Oh.
Yeah.
Now this have all is finished.
What I mean?
This finish all now this pool.
You mean the swimming pool?
Yeah.
I don't know what happened, but the owner had a problem. He had to fix some things here. I don't know what it is. Maybe you might find out the reason why the swimming pool was closed like 3 years ago. Yeah, so there's somebody I think who works for the owner. He's a guard, so I think you can find him there. I don't know if he speaks English though.
Yeah.
I already know why they are not working. Thank you.
Okay.
Nzina nitwa Nyiringango, Empress Nyiringango. Mushobora kujya kuri YouTube channel yanjye mukayasubscribinga kugira ngo mwumve imiziki ngiye kubasorera mu minsi iri imbere myiza. Murakoze.